Hey, it's Haley from Kingdom Cuisine. Today we're talking about the loaded onion rings. Snacks are what make Disney stand out above the crowd. Hop on Instagram or check BuzzFeed and you'll be amazed with the unique creations available across the different parks, resorts, even cruise ships. Special items come and go in seasons, special celebrations, and more. Golden Oak Outpost, located between Adventureland and Frontierland inside of the Magic Kingdom, is one super snack spot. From chili cheese waffle fries to chicken nuggets, Golden Oak Outpost has you covered. Since the menu rotates frequently at Golden Oak Outpost, this allows visitors to try a variety of different offerings throughout the year. Recently, the small location rolled out loaded onion rings. Each large onion ring is soft in the center with a beautifully golden and crispy shell. The pile of onion rings gets a generous helping of cheese sauce and finished with a dusting of bacon. By themselves, the onion rings make for one satisfying snack. With a mild onion flavor, the onion rings have a light and airy coating that is free from excess oil from the fryer. Each bite has a delightful crunch and a lively flavor profile. Adding on the smooth and creamy cheese sauce and bacon takes this snack to a different level, adding a little flair to your traditional onion ring. The cheese sauce adds a slight kick while the bacon adds even more flavor and crunch to each bite. You can get your hands on a pile of loaded onion rings at Golden Oak Outpost inside of the Magic Kingdom. This is a large snack and can easily be a meal for one. Do you love food and all things Mickey shaped? Share your delicious snacks with us on Instagram and be sure to tag #SnackSquad to be featured.